Alright guys, we're picking up Jenna's first pickup. She's been keeping an eye out, wanting one of these for a while. And she got pretty excited. This one popped up. It's got a clean title. And she ended up paying $400 of her own money. So this is her truck. She's got big plans for it. But I let her and her brother do some videoing on it, so I hope you guys enjoy it.
How's it look in center? Do I need to keep going?
This way maybe?
Might need to shift the ramps over just a little bit. Do I need to straighten it out or? No, I like that because the ramps are kind of off to the right.
Like this?
I want to make sure it gets between the fenders. Yeah, zoom it bigger. I'm going to start straightening out. Yeah. Straight. This one ramp? Yeah. Let's just tilt it in this side. Something like that. Yeah. Is it good over there? Down out a little bit. Custom cab. Okay, yeah. I think that's it.
Well, if you guys need anything, you know, if I have a hard time hearing, so you can come to the shop around the corner over there. I'll be in there.
Okay, perfect. I appreciate it.
All right, no problem,
Thank
guys.
you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Front is heavy because of that big block. How we doing with the trailer wise? Cool. Probably come over past it. Right. How's the rears? Let's check them. Coming over a little bit to your right. Good. Straight. Keep going. Driver. That's about it. I think that's all good. Try to park it. All right.
Ready? Good.
How's the ring?
Hold on, Dad.
All right, Luke. You don't have to push now. I get the brake on.
Yeah. Well, you're kind of in there, so.
Made it.
Made it. How was it?
Not too good.
You look kind of terrified. I'm just joking. Look, I'm gonna get a video of the interior. Alright, so this is my 1968 Ford F250. So this one, it was used to haul wood, and it was just very in rough shape, but these trucks were used. Alright, so in here we have some pockets in here, so it looks like it's has some stuff in there, so we'll go through that. And we have our first fuel tank right in the back behind the seat. And then we have the glove compartment, which we can go through as well. So yeah, she was used as well as a donor truck when they parked it, because they had another one. So they're just taking parts off of this one. So it's missing the door panel, missing the handle, and custom cab. So if you look right here, we got nice old engine. Needs some cleaning, but it runs. So in here, this is a maybe it is a military. Yeah, it's bolted on there. Yeah. So this, I'm guessing he used as a toolbox, but it was an ammunition box. So some rags.
Off with this.
So inside, as you see, there's a couple stuff in here. Yeah, that's mostly it. We just bolts, spark plugs, tiny things I don't want to lose.
It's part of the video. He banged on it, that's probably why.
Come on.
There we go. There we go. Ah, yeah.
Alright, so let's see here. This is,
So that's everything in the glove box.
yeah, just a bit like screws, this stuff. Nothing too important, but yeah, she's pretty dirty. We'll clean her out and put this all back in there so we don't lose any
Check
of
the
it.
back seat.
And we'll go ahead and check the back seat. See what we have in there. Put it. Pause it. No, pause it. We have some, I don't even know, earplugs. Oh, these are old earplugs.
Want to put them in?
No. We got a lighter. And then we got some screws. Some bolts. Don't know where these go to, but if it goes from, or comes from this, then we'll find out. We've got lots of bolts in here. Yeah, just mostly bolts.
Is that a receipt?
See if we get important stuff. This looks like, I don't know what this is.
What is this? Wait, I'm gonna try and read it.
What is that? No meter. So I'm guessing this is,
Measuring device?
yeah, some sort of measuring device. Alright, so we got that. That's pretty cool. And then, let's see, what else? We're gonna find a gold nugget. Alright, so we move to the other side because it couldn't fit. Alright, so, okay, we got some of this light bulbs. And so in here, I'm not sure what this is.
What is that?
Oh.
Let me see. I think that might be a note. Pull it out.
Oh, it's for fingers. It is a snake kit for fingers.
All right, we got Jenna's new pickup. See if we do this before the rain gets too bad. We got a nice storm coming in. Getting these beautiful afternoon, evening thunderstorms. So we figured we're gonna see if we can do a little will it run. See if this Ford truck will turn over and maybe run. We're gonna hook up a battery and kind of go over it with you guys. This is your truck, huh?
Yep.
Well, this one came with a 460 big block, and it was owned by an old timer up there by Susanville, Northern California, and he used it for hauling lumber. That's the story to it. Let's just hook up the battery and go. We'll check the oil.
Alright.
See if it's got Earl. Oh yeah, we got some Earl. Yeah. Don't taste it. Alright, so really we just want to see if she'll run. So we're going to hook up the battery to it, get some starter fluid. The fuel line is disconnected, which is probably a good thing. They said when they last drove it, they just had it hooked up with a electric pump and a fuel hose, fuel can going to it. You can smell how bad the fuel is. This has got dual tanks, but just walking by the side of the truck, this is factory dual tanks. You can smell how bad that fuel is, so we're not even going to try to suck through that. Got some pieces in there. She's going to kind of gather up. It is missing. They bought it for parts, so they use some of the window stuff. I can get replacement glass, actually pretty cheap for this, and all the hardware. So she's got the door panels. We can put those in. That's kind of what we got to work on, is get that together. There's some floorboard rust there. Not terrible though, all things considered. The thing was used well. Had a piece of plywood in the back, but you can see even the bed's not all rusted out. We pulled that out so it wouldn't rust. But all right, let me get this battery hooked up. We'll see if this thing will run. It is a manual transmission, 4-speed. So let's just see if she cranks. Oh boy, we got wipers. That's the closest knob to you. You're twisting only. Ready? Okay, the wipers are off. Woohoo! Crank it over again. All right, go for it. Get a little gas, Kim.
That's cool.
She runs. The old push rod V8. Got a little exhaust leak.
Where?
I don't know, popping I could hear. Start it again. Okay, don't throttle this time. Is the choke on? No, it's off. Okay, go for it. Again. Yeah, she's running. We could get some gasoline, probably better. It runs, Jenna. Fire it off. All right, so now that we know it runs, We got to fix the fuel issue. Probably get some vacuum hoses so we can get the vacuum advance going. We'll change the engine oil and then see if she runs and drives, and we can drive it around the property. It is titled, so that's a great thing. We do have a clean Nevada title in our name, and Jenna spent $400 on this. So it does run. Now we just got to see if it drives. The clutch feels pretty good. Don't know about the brakes. She's pretty excited. Our long-term plan is to sell this motor, which will probably pay for the truck. She paid $400 for it. But we're going to put this on a 4x4 Super Duty chassis, 2005 and newer. Probably 2000. We're going to look for 2005 to 2010 4x4. And then she wants a probably like a 12 valve mechanical Cummins motor in it, sticking with a manual transmission. So she doesn't want any computers. She doesn't want four-wheel drive. So I think they'll give a good, reliable setup, and probably be her daily driver when she's gets her license. But yeah, for right now, we'll probably just get it cleaned up. Now that we know it runs, it's worth putting some time into her. We'll change the fluids, the filters, maybe get some tune-up going onto it, and figure out the fuel system. We might just set up a temporary fuel system and not deal with the fuel tanks right now, just because you can smell how bad it is, and I don't even know if it's worth cleaning them. We're going to get rid of the seat behind the seat tank eventually and just have like a 40-gallon tank underneath. But that's going to be it for this video. Let us know what you guys think of Jenna's first pickup. She's pretty excited about it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.
Alright guys, so this is my 1968 Ford F250. I'll tell you a little bit of